Hello everyone. So right now we are going to presentation about project-based learning of PT Varta Microbattery Indonesia company profile by Group 4. So the member of the group is the first one is me as the Ismiati Sahab as the moderator and the first speaker, and Aisyah Nurul Inayah as the second speaker, Agnes Monica as the third speaker, Bini Fernanda Nova as the fourth speaker, Windy Astuti as the fifth speaker, and the last one is Cantika Andista Putri as the last speaker. So the first one is about the background of the PT Varta Microbattery Indonesia. PT Varta Microbattery Indonesia is a foreign capital company or PMA operating in Batam. The company is located on Jalan Baharu, Plot 23 and Jalan Aksana Lot 309 to 310, Batamindo Industrial Estate, Muka Kuning Batam, the center of which is Varta Microbattery GmbH, Germany. Varta Microbattery PCA Ltd in Singapore is the regional headquarters for Asia Pacific, which oversees several other branch companies in Taiwan, South Korea, Hong Kong, Japan, and Indonesia. PT Varta Microbattery is a manufacturing company that is distribution in widespread in the world, including in Indonesia, to be precise in the city of Batam. PT Varta Microbattery was founded in 1991 in May. The Varta vision is we define the future of battery technology to empower a more independent life, and the Varta vision the Varta mission is through continuous investment in research and development, we set the benchmark in the battery technology and customization to drive market leadership in our segments. Next is the second speaker. Time is yours.
Hello guys, introduction. My name is Aisyah Nurul. I'm here to present about horizontal structure PT Varta Microbattery Indonesia. First director, Mr. Nestle. Next, hand of technology, operation and efficiency. Ravindra Chitraragar, Operation Lot 23, Operation Manager Lot 23, Chiu Kong On, Production Manager, Hari Prihanto, Assistant Manager Production, Muhammad Ashari, Supervisor Production, Nurul NCT, Manager Production, Engineering dan Maintenance, Jailani, Engineer Slamet Arif Haryadi, Operation Lot 308 and 310, Operation Manager Coin Power and Operation Manager PPS Liao Yongmeng, Production Manager Suyono, and Assistant Manager Production Coin Power and PPS Nakhiket Palabawahi, Supervisor Production Munawar Koidah and Ustono, Assistant Manager Engineering Manager Mahas Patil, Engineer Murianto, Assistant Engineer Sukren, Automation Tool Room and Camps, Manager Engineer Chiu Kong On, Manager Project and Automject Co, Engineer PNI Haryanto, Engineer Getman GM Nababan, Engineer Toolroom and CIB Printing Sahara Basafa. Design Simple PPL Dock Office and Fixed Con, Bed and Feature Design and Fixed Control Sunisi dan Nahafar, Engineer Bed Design Ian Arianto Sujadi, Assistant Engineer Sipan Tolib Salim, Engineer Victor Design Eka Putra and Marina Silitonga, Assistant Office Tech Support Dewi Astuti, Engineer PCM Lab Petrus, Engineer Bed Design PPS, and Design Sub OEM Boni Gartin. Manager Dock of Simple Shop and PPL Erwin Partin, Engineer Draw and Duk Ning Surdarti, Officier Faidafun, Financial and Accounting. Manager Financial and Accounting Martelina Perenin atau N. Bontor Memetambubawan. Of Financial and Accounting Indah Kurniati. IT, Assistant IT Manager Heri Sastrianti. Financial Manager Lia Yang Mei. Human Resources, HR Manager Desma Willis, GA Officer Yani Priyatiningsih, Payroll Officer Neneng Damayanti, Assistant Manager HSI and Training Nutriaji, Training and Safety of Magnus Oscar, Training and Assistant Safety No Yari Sumeri, Chief Security Samuel Parinius, Supply Chain, Assistant Manager Purchasing Endang Dwi, Training of City Wafiro, Assistant of Sri Wahyuni, Store Liao Ming, Supervisor Store Lot 23 Yapet Pramon, Supervisor Store Lot 307 Sigit Sulistiono, Head of Quality Asia Pacific, Stephen Besfer, Quality and Test Lab, Manager OQM Lot 23, Iwan Hartono, Engineer OQM Aristao Mi Soekarno, Supervisor OQM Sigianti, Manager OQM Lot 307 and 310 Teungku Faisal, Assistant Manager OQM Lot 300 dan Muhammad Nur, Supervisor OQM Mira, Mr. N. R. Lim Ronald Theo, Test Lab Eric Tan, QM Singapore, HP Chia, QM Shizen Stephen Nguyen.
Hello everyone, my name is Agnes Monica. So, on my turn, I will tell you some of the products that are PT Varta Micro Battery Indonesia. So, in the PT Varta, there are many types of the battery, and one of them is a long life max power. Many digital devices such as a digital camera or a gaming controller need energy in charging a requirement. Varta Max Power gives you the best possible with a flexible level of energy. So you should remain flexible in everything you do. And the next low life power. If you need as much power as you can get, this is the one. Varta long life power is the most powerful of the Varta alkaline battery. Especially for devices with high energy consumption. Stay independent with high performance battery power when using power hungry devices such as remote control tools, computer equipment, or LED flashlight. The more long life battery. Keep all every day with Varta long life or long lasting battery for device with contact and low energy deal, such as remote control or clocks or radio. Standing out with long run times and low energy delivery to keep you independent in every second. And the next neutrality with up to 28% reduced in comparison to alkaline Varta neutrality battery are perfect for sport and outdoor using and to work exceptionally well under extreme conditions. You can really understand you are playing with your kid using walkie-talkie or take a picture with your digital camera on the affected tree with extreme temperature. They also work perfectly with safety devices like a smoke detector. High quality for the high energy It's meant to keep you independent in all areas of life. And then seems super heavy that day. While clothes, alarm clothes or remote control for the super heavy that zinc carbon battery provide you with reliable performance for all sorts of low energy device. Keep your freedom with regards with reliable and to at the same time in friendship quality.
Hi guys, my name is Dini Fernanova. Here I will explain the product from PT Varta, real name the Rechargeable Battery. Rechargeable Battery, Recharge Accord Alcron. Baterai Recharge Accord Alcron is Varta most event-friendly product line now continue 21%. Recharge content available in the most damage. Kapasitasnya 2100 mAh and 800 mAh the product. Line combines best battery performance in the look of very low shelf. This is and ready to most technology with high souls meet this customer damage. Recharge Accord Power Varta Recharge Accord Power Legenic Battery provide the win rate hips access on the market and who's the best energy solution for any device of everyday you get for low drain device with basic energy less up to high drawn that with heat energy size and capacitors of the Varta power ready to us and offer very low this to meet high customer damage. Okay, next titanium device of oriented specials. Research upon tailor-made solution with optimizations, capacitors, and capacitors classes to perfect supplies. Low drawn device solves a crawl puns. Okay. Will be continued by the next speaker, Widya. Thank you.
My name is Cindy Stuti. Here I will explain about the type of special batteries. The first, lithium coin. The premium Varta lithium coin is designed to provide reliable power for small electronic devices. Batteries delivering highest performance for boost and continuous discharge application. All Varta lithium button cells are child-proof pack and meet the high safety standards, perfect for various basic and smart applications like fobs, remote control, kiosks, smart home devices, and many more small electronic devices. Best quality and duration guarantee. 2. Lithium cylindrical. Varta lithium cylindrical are professional lithium-ion cells with long-lasting supreme performance. Designed to withstand extreme temperature while delivering quick and reliable energy supply. Perfectly suitable for today modern life and for the as-in smart home and smart security device, IDs for camera, photo flash, and flashlight. Next, Alkaline Special. The Varta Alkaline Special batteries include chromium, mercury-free alkaline batteries of special formats, which are ideal for electronic devices requiring a sustained energy supply. Perfect to power your daily energy demand in applications like toys, medical device, calculator, remote control, and many more small electronic devices. Best quality and duration guarantee.
Hello, let me introduce myself. I'm Chantika Nista Putri. I will explain about conclusion and suggestion. Number 1, conclusion. The conclusion of this project are Number one, the tool can work well but still not perfect and cannot be used at the time of production. Number two, there are still some shortcomings in the tool, for example, of the rope. Number three, time required for welding using the computer will be faster by approximately 2 seconds in each process welding. And last, suggestion. In the next project is hope that this tool can be made even better so that it can work optimally and can be used during production. Thank you.